Soccer fans, listen up. I've got something huge, and this is your one and only shot, so you cannot afford to miss it. This isn't just another game. This is the best win, the ultimate soccer experience that's about to change everything. Imagine the heart-pounding action of FIFA and PS, but completely rebuilt for the crypto era. What makes it different? We're talking pure, authentic international competition. You play exclusively with real national teams. No clubs, no fantasy squads. Just official countries, real rivalries, and the kind of true global competition that gets your blood pumping. It's the World Cup, anytime you want. Now, here's why you need to act right now. The game is powered by SCG tokens, and there's an extremely limited supply. For Tier 1, only 700,000 SCG tokens will ever exist. That's it. And as a loyal subscriber to this channel, you are getting an exclusive early pass. You get the chance to buy these tokens for just 10 cents each. To put that in perspective, they are already trading on the TalkPi exchange for over 31 cents. That's more than triple the price before it even officially launches. Think about that. Let me be crystal clear. Once these tokens are sold out, they are gone forever. There is no second chance. There will be no extra minting, no do-overs. This is it. This sale is the final push to fund the development and launch the best win to a global audience. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of what could be the next massive hit in sports gaming. You can be part of the foundation, an early backer who believed in the vision from day one. Or you can sit on the sidelines and watch everyone else celebrate their win while you left wondering, what if? The choice is yours. The clock is ticking. Get in now or get left out. Click the link in the description to secure your spot. Don't say I didn't warn you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the field.